Okay, class. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray first. Let's pray. Begin. Finish.
Before we start our lesson, let's take attendance. Anda, Hesti, Anna, Yay, complete. Anybody know what are we going to learn today?
No, yes.
Okay, today we're gonna learn about transformation and vector translation.
Now, can someone tell me what definition of transformation geometry is?
Me, please.
Okay, Hesti.
Transformation is a process that changes the position or shape of an object is.
In mathematics, the transformation of a flat shape means moving or mapping all the points on the flat shape to another location with the same plane. The geometric transformation we will learn about four. Are you ready? Next please. Translation, reflection, rotation, and dilatation.
These four things are happen on our daily life. How we're looking at the mirror and our reflection will appear in the mirror, or moving a chessboard when we play a chessboard. That's an example of transformation geometry in our daily life.
Okay, in this meeting, we will learn about shift or translation. Are you ready, class?
Ready?
Okay, good. So, translation occurs when we shift a shape from one location to another location without changing the size and figure on the shape. When we translate flat shape, it means that each vertex is moved in the direction and distance. Yes, like this.
To perform this translation, we need an information about how far a point is shifted horizontally and vertically. The magnitude of the displacement is written in the formula of the translation vector A, B, where A is the horizontal displacement or along x-axis and B is the displacement or along the y-axis. There's a sign when vector A and B are positive, then the direction of the object displacement is right and upward. And if AB is a positive, and if AB are negative, then the direction of the object movement is to the left or downward.
Okay, the next example. Point A, 4,5 is translated by 3, negative 2. Determine the result of the translation. Okay, first, we can draw the Cartesian plane like this, and then we plot point A, 4,5, and then we translate 3 units to the right and 2 units to the down because the value of 2 is negative, and this resulting is A prime 7,3. So, from this example, let's pay attention. Point A, 4,5 translated by 3, negative 2, resulting is A prime 7,3. We have another example
That determine the result of translating C 1,-3, which is shifted 3 units to the left and 4 units up. How we solve this? First, we write down the formula. Okay, there is the formula AB translated by XY becomes A prime B prime. Okay, from the question we know that C is A prime, so we write it down as 1 and minus 3. And the translating is shifted 3 units to the left, that means is negative 3. And 4 units up, it means positive 4. So we have to search the A and B. How we find this A and B? We can use the formula A prime plus X and B prime plus Y. Here, Ax is 1, so we write it down as 1, plus X is minus 3, and B prime is minus 3, and Y is 4, so plus 4. And the result is minus 2 and 1. So we have conclusion that determinant of the result of translating C1 negative 3 that shifted 3 units to the left and 4 units up is minus 2 and 1.
Okay, I have a problem and you have solve this problem. Does anyone want to solve this problem? Okay, Alya. First, you draw the Cartesian plane. Okay, good. Okay. And then you plot point P negative 2, 3. Okay, good, Angga. Next, you plot point P, which is negative 2, 3. Negative 2, 3. Okay, good. Is translated 4 units to the right. 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, good, and 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is A prime. Okay, this point is. Okay, good. Let's calculate from this to this. Good. Okay, good, Angga. Give applause to Angga.
Okay class, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for your attention. Okay, can anybody give a conclusion of our lesson today? Okay, Anand.
The conclusion of the lesson of today is, if there is a point A, x, y is translated by AB, then the result of the translation is A prime, x plus A, y plus B
Okay, good job Adnan. Applause Adnan. This is your homework and you can do it at home and collect it next week.
Okay, do you understand about this topic today? Yes. Okay, give a round of applause because you have learned something new today.
Okay, thank you class for your attention. Don't forget your homework.
And see you.